Be eating at Marea restaurant, which is in DIFC, in the gated village in DIFC. So Marea has a restaurant in New York and also here in Dubai. So here we are inside Marea. It's a lovely atmosphere. Just getting started early in the evening. So I'm going to go down the menu at Marea.
Hello?
Ah. So this is white bean puree with olives, just to start with some nice freshly baked focaccia bread. Perfect. The olive oil, balsamic vinegar. Lovely beef carpaccio with mascarpone cheese, and then we have the crudos, which is a mixture of tuna, sea bass, langoustines, yellowfin tuna. Beautiful.
With frigola pasta, round pasta from Sicily, the black olive, the juice black olive stepanate, and the yellow one is apricot jam with some salsa verde on the rock.
And this is the
This is the astice. Basically, astice is lobster in Italian. The lobster with the bed on bed of the burrata cheese with basil seeds, peeled tomatoes, eggplant sticks, and some pickled mushrooms.
Thank you. Thank you. So this is cappellaccio with shrimp and lobster. And I have to say that every single thing that you eat here at Marea, the ingredients and the food and the taste is absolutely outstanding. It's a very lively atmosphere now in Marea. Really nice atmosphere, getting busy. Everyone's dressed very nicely. It's a lovely place, nice restaurant, lovely atmosphere. Really getting into the swing now. Mixture of clientele, beautiful. This is our sea bass, salt-baked sea bass, cooked fresh. We have okra, spinach, and mushrooms to go with it. A nice variety of sauces to go with the fish. What a lovely, lovely main course. Fresh ingredients, beautiful fish. So just a small sweet to finish off, the chocolado we decided to share. Very nicely presented. So that's the end of our evening here at Marea. What can I say? It's a very lively, busy, bustling restaurant, just like the New York version of Marea. This is Dubai version, obviously. But the other restaurant is in New York by Central Park. It's a very busy, lively atmosphere. Lovely food, and well, what can I say? I think the key thing is that we have an old English saying called "you get what you pay for," and the food, the ingredients, everything that goes into every single taste was absolutely lovely. I have to say that it was like a new journey. Every time you got a new plate in front of you, it was a new journey of taste. It was absolutely lovely. So yeah, I can recommend Marea to anyone. Really nice food, lively, bustling atmosphere. And obviously we'll be coming back again.